Hey everyone, it's Corey from Meat and Potatoes. Welcome to this week's Just the Tip. Now, here's what I'm going to talk about today. Bedrooms for kids. I have just two very basic rules to get back to a tidied space, to get back to an organized space when you have a chaotic bedroom. The first thing that I would do is we're going to take all the toys and we're just going to pull them out. Does that mean they go in storage for a little bit? Maybe. Label it, put them away. Does that mean maybe we need to donate some things or get rid of things that we just no longer play with? High probability. We're gonna gather all those things and we're just gonna take them out of the room for now. The second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the bed and we're gonna vacuum the floors. At that point, we can decide of these toys that were once cluttering the room, where is the best place for them? Is it in a closet? Is it in a drawer? Is it in a storage, kind of storage utility area? We can figure that out. And then from there, clothes. We're gonna take all the dirty clothes out, put all the clean clothes away, hang up what's needed, and you are left with a miraculous transformation for a kid's bedroom. So those are my two rules. Take out the toys, make the bed vacuum. That's it. That's your starting point, and that's how you start digging in to those very, very messy kids' bedrooms.